Okay. 6 multiplied by 6. What is 6 multiplied by 6? 36. And the black is 5. What is 6 multiplied by 5? 5. 188. Okay, the group magkakaroon ng black and white. Ready? Let's go!
Sige na, tuloy mo na.
Okay, the group who got the highest point is Matyaga. Congratulations, Matyaga. Here is your team. The winner is Team Matyaga. Okay, so please give them a wonderful clap. That's that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Once again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. All right. So, welcome to the mall full of fundamental counting principles here in SM City, Tarlac. Okay. So, before entering the mall, kindly read. Okay, pause, or we call it multiplication rule, is a way of finding how many possibilities can exist when combining choices, objects, or results. This is done by multiplying each total. Okay, so the first store is outfit shopping. Okay, we will go to the outfit shopping to choose what best outfit that you can wear. Okay? Yes. Alright. The first shop is outfit shopping. Okay. So, sad to okay. Sad to say, this is the available for this shop. Okay? We have four different set of colors. Here is the available for outfit shopping. So we have four different set of shirts and three different set of pants, and we have two different set of accessories. Okay, so to determine how many different outfits that we can create, we just need to apply the fundamental counting principle. We can create 24 different outfits, but we just need to visualize what is the best outfits that you can wear. Alright? So, this time, I will create and choose whatever outfits that the best for you. Okay. Okay, before that, please come here in the center and you may take an median seat. Please come here to the center and take an angel. Different set of shirts. Okay. So we have 4 different set of shirts. Okay. So yan, we have 4 different set of shirts. So now, to get the final answer, or we need to put a different set of shirts each, a different set of pants in each of the shirt. Okay? So how many pants that we each? Okay. So ayan. So first thing, so since the first shirt has different set of pants, so we need to construct this one. Okay? So the remaining shirt has also a different set of pants. Okay, and the last two has also a different set of pants. Understood? Yes. Okay. Different accessories. Where are my accessories? Ayan. Teka na lang. Okay. So each set of pants has 2 different set of accessories. For this, okay, accessories. Last one. Has 2 different set of accessories. Next one has 2 different set of accessories. Okay, and the last group, the next group has 2 different set of accessories. And also the remaining pants also has 2 different set of accessories. Yan. Okay, so ayan. So, walk with wisdom, respect every shopper, keep the mall clean, yes, as before you exit. Alright, now, do you want to visit the other store?
Yes, sir.
Do you want to visit the other store?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, let's proceed to shoes store. Ang ating principle, we just need to multiply. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 5, 8. Multiplied by 2, 80. Therefore, there are different shoes choices available. So, to choose what shoes is the best for you, we can create a diagram. So, I need one. Here in shoe store. So, let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, exactly we have 30 different choices here in shoes store. Okay, so since you
and chicken. We have nachos, salad, and fries. We have 3 different drinks. And we have 2 different desserts. So let's count if how many meals are there here in food court. Using Manila paper and markers. Here's your Manila paper and markers. Okay. So identify the choices involved and apply the fundamental counting principles to find the total number of possible outcomes. Write your group name at the top of the Manila paper. Present your complete solution and explanation clearly and simply. And when finished, post your output on the designated area. Be ready to present and explain how your group applied fundamental counting principle. You will be given 5 minutes to complete the activity. Exercise teamwork, respect, and active participation. And anyone, representative